guys! Oh!
Grapes! Ayan na!
Grape!
Ayan na!
Restock! Grape!
Ayan!
A little bit of grapes. Wow.
Jandel, I'm not good.
A little bit of grapes. Bro! Please!
Please. Sugar apple.
Yes. Oh.
Please, sugar apple.
Okay guys, I'm going to grind for a bit.
Ang kala ko naman kung si Jandel magsasabi. Yes. Sabay siya. Wawa.
Okay, let me sell this stuff. Let's go. I'm still at 1 billion, guys. Anyways, I'm not going to touch it. It's a trap. Okay, anyways. I'm going to do it. Give me the cacao. Okay.
Please, warm.
Okay. Wait a second.
Just to see.
I wanna run away. I wanna run away. Anywhere out this place.
Diba dito siya nag-ano? Please,
I don't think he's gonna go into spawn. Bro. Oh my god. Bro. I have awakened. Bro, that's not funny, bruh.
ano yun?
I don't know.
Oh my. Oh,
I'm
Oh.
not.
your t-shirt.
Wait. It's Jandel.
Jandel abuse.
Please strike my cacao. Strike my cacaos, please.
Mag-strike
Bro.
siya sa walo.
Why is bro not striking? Please strike at my cacaos. Thank you. You strike at my cacaos. Yay! Oh no!
Ilan yung ano niya?
Where is it? Please, I'm gonna place my lightning rod to my thanks, Amber Lily.
Oh my god.
Amber Lily has not been struck to death, bro. Seed shop,
Attack.
bro. Seed shop
Bro,
attack,
ang pangit. Wala
bro.
pa. We are at 12
Bro is trying to money talk at us.
Isa mo naman, ang tagal mo, 1 minute na lang oh.
See you dream alive, huh?
See you again live.
What? Wait a second. Thank you, Jandel. Oh my god.
Thank you very much.
But why did you just
Much.
strike my bro?
Jandel
Thank
not-
you.
Jandel
Get to the team together.
It's
Work
1054
all
this update.
hard.
We all work hard today. Look.
Coca-Cola, espuma.
Ay, ano? Magkaiba pala. Na-strike niya yung ano ko. Yung white sun coil. Ay, yung ano ko. Pinakamalaki kong sun coil. Di ba matatapos?
How much is it worth?
Papahabot ko siya ng maraming mutation.
Coconuts every day. Let's go! Coconuts every day! Eat coconuts every day so we get 1 million. Mom, I got 1 billion and 44,000
Ba yan?
209,149 million. Uy! 2 flower seed packs. No! Basic sprinkler, bro! Crazy ID. Give away like 1 pet given to a random player. Imagine how crazy rare that would be. Bro!
Jungle Monkey Pet. Saan?
What?
Jungle
Ah?
Monkey Pet.
Bro, what is it, bro?
Yung monkey. Jungle. Ay, imagine Jungle.
B.
Tingnan mo. Uy, Amber Lily.
Amber Lily, bro! Whoops!
Tapos mamaya sugar apple na to.
Yes. Oh my god, bro.
Whoops.
Whoops, I slipped. Just
I'm
kidding.
I'm making a rain tonight. Anong rain? Anong rain?
Raining seeds!
Ano raining seeds? Oo, pwede din.
Yay!
Tapos sa mga nakalagay, carrot, blueberry. Ngayon lang.
999 plus seeds.
Ano yun? Ay.
1. Please.
Bro.
Where's my sprinkler? 1 advanced, 6 basics,
Ano yan?
one godly. 1, 2,
We're going
3, 4, 5.
once this leave us, we leave us.
1 advanced and 1 godly. The alien
Alien mutation.
mutation is my favorite in the game. Bro,
Oo, pinakita niya doon sa ano, sa
TikTok?
niya. Ewan. Oo, sa TikTok. Tapos sa ano, sa ano nga ba yun? Discord. May Discord kami dati. Kasama si Jandel.
Bro, I have my papa. Yay!
Ah. Pukit mo ng papa ko.
But
How much? Ay.
Pupi po. Yes. I'm going to get this on camera.
My mom is co-hatching with me. Ano yun?
Mommy,
Ano yung
What?
co-hatching?
co-hosting.
Ano yun?
My wife is asleep again. Should I go wake
Ay,
her?
pinakilala niya yung ano, yung asawa niya doon sa TikTok niya. Ang ganda.
Uy, si Chop!
Ano? Hello.
Popiro popipong, popiro piro popipong, popiro piro popipong, popiro piro
Ano
popipong,
yun?
popiro piro
Wait.
popipong, popiro piro.
Nasa
Bro, apple seed was...
apples. Uy, ano yan?
What?
Ano rin yan? Alien invasion. Oh my god! Alien invasion! Kala ko kung ano. Hindi nakikita. Uy, may alien.
Alien!
Sana may alien. Ay, alien.
Bro, are there any UFOs coming at us?
Bro! Oh! Tita Eats! Tinan mo!
Oh no!
Alien!
Bro, if I get Amber bro, if I get an alien like Amber Lily, bro, it will become infinite alien like. Bro, please. Please, 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 please. Wait, is there? Small chance.
Alien legs!
Thank you, UFOs. Thank you for winning. Ay.
Thank you for this. Oh my
Thank
god,
you.
ang ganda! Ang ganda!
Bro.
Oh my much is this worth?
Is this transparent?
Ang mahal.
Bro, transparent.
27. Ang mahal.
Million?
Tingnan mo.
27 million?
What I got for this
Oh
event.
no.
Ano?
We got the song for this event. Oh, iya.
Oh, i.
I feel like in some nightmare B-grade TV show. Bro,
Bro.
please, alien like me.
Ulo. Ano to? Alien?
I just feel some seeds. I mean sprinklers.
Bro, nagka-crush yung... Hala! Oh, alien paper ko!
Oh no!
Ito.
Bro, I'm dancing right now.
Dami sa akin.
Oh, someone's... I aliened! Bro! Mom! I got a transparent! Transparent!
Lagay kayo ng playing natin. Ganda yun kasi nag-aatap yun ng ano. Annotation. Namantas ka din.
I'm going to get...
Ben, ganda naman ito.
Bro?
Pio.
What is this?
Mag-iba na Ben.
I think...
Color. Mag-iba na yung color.
AJ, what did I just see? Is this a small coconut?
I don't know.
Bro!
I
Oh my
think
gosh!
some
3
alien
recall
like
wrench!
I summon chance but before invisible. Full invisible!
Mine! Fully invisible!
Uy, hindi oh. Uy. Nectar Pro.
Oh! Yes! I got it! Fully invisible! Fully invisible!
Hulo! Guys, full invisible sa kanya. Ay. Full invisible. Invisible sa kanya.
Thank you, alien.
Ayun, Ben, Nectar Tour.
Billy is an alien. He is kind of spacey. Coming from the universe to party and go crazy.
Kasi na one miss my old song. Yo, I miss the 10.
Huh?
Old song niya yun eh. 10.
10. Wow.
Kasi,
Now it's just raining tacos and OEA. Ooh, alien light.
bro,
Bro!
kapangit. Ano ba yun?
Bro, I got
Oo na
3
din.
nickel wrenches.
Ooh. Fully invisible.
Huh? That's
Ooh.
not fully.
Uy, your favorite emoji.
Hmm?
Money Money yun.
Money face? Uy! Another alien like.
Hindi ko muna i-collect yun sa akin. Hintayin ko muna yung ibang mutation.
Bro, I didn't
Ano?
forget that I got...
Kumingin, hindi ko marinig. It's back.
I got a squirrel!
Anong pagtog?
My God,
It's
bro!
raining tacos from out of the sky. Tacos.
Oh.
No need to ask why.
Tacos.
Just open your mouth and close your eyes. It's
Open up.
raining tacos.
Bro, I got a squirrel.
Tacos. Out in the street.
Bro, I got this go already.
All you can eat. Lettuce and shells.
2 nickel wrench me.
It's raining tacos.
What did I do? Oh no, bro. You have max pets equipped. Yeah. Sucks. Another
Cheese.
Not
It's
fully
raining
invisible.
tacos.
Oh, I thought I had it.
Raining tacos.
Oh, big. No. I can't pick up that lilac for some reason. I think I'm going to get rich when I sell my inventory. Jim, we're going to get rich when we sell our inventories. Bro, yo. Alien. 2 fully invisibles. Bruh. Maybe I am lucky. Why did you do this to me? Am I an alien like? Get all the coconuts out. I'm trying to get some of this alien like. Ooh, shocked alien like wet. Bro, I might get the alien like. Semi-good seed stock. Yes. I wonder how much is this inventory. 38 million, bro. Yeah, what did you trick? Correctly.
Checkpoint na inis ko.
I thought it was my other cousin.
Kasi din.
I got the alien like. Look! I got it fully charged.
Kasi. Uy. Ayoko lang.
No, I don't like pepper, guys.
No.
Cacao!
No,
Let's go, bro.
Super dami ko na ng kakao.
Yes. Stock beanstalk, bro. Or
No. Sawa na ako sa beanstalk, pepper, kakao.
Uy, beanstalk.
Hindi mo sabi ko ni.
Jay, mawawala na daw yung seed shock forever. Bakit? Ano na yung marireplace?
Ano? Summer.
Jay, tapos pagkatapos ng summer event,
Wala na. Ay, hindi. Ayun na yun. Forever na. Forever and ever and ever and ever and ever.
ano na may papalit sa may seed shop? Hindi, pagkatapos
Summer nga.
pagkatapos nga ng summer event,
Ako ba si John Day?
may pepper pa rin. No, 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 no! Seeds. Gay, 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 gay.
Anong gay?
Play gay, play gay, play gay. Ooh. No. Oh. Capybara, 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 capybara,
Nandiyan ako.
No. Bro! Sun coil is chocolate. I need the honeysuckle.
Oy.
Gold nectar to one. I hope you all enjoy the video today. Ang bilis naman!
Sugar apple.
Stock sugar apple! Stock sugar apple. Stock sugar apple, bro. Bro!
Record.
Stock sugar apple! Please. Buy seeds. Oh, stock the sugar apple.
Gusto ko sa kanina. Master Splinter, diba?
Let me try. Welcome to my sandwich. Dare shop.
Master.
But lang naman. Just wait. There's no master sprinkler. Uy!
Ngayon, marasta ako. Ben,
Oh,
ano,
I got that.
my
Huh?
favorite harvesting tool.
Huh? Why?
Kuhanin mo na lahat kasi mawawala na yan.
Mawawala na rin gear shop. But lang nga. Space travel! Bro! Please. Huh? No. Wait. I buy it all.
Wala na 1 billion. Goodbye 1 billion na si Given.
At least I have one alien, like. Get ready. It's it! Prepare for blast off. Wait, John Dale. Bro! Oh my gosh, big coconut. Get me. I think I see. Oh, I saw an alien like. Bro, there's no alien likes. Okay. I'm gonna sell my inventory. Oop! 1 billion. Hi again. No! Why?
Wala akong jump button.
Get me all the cacao. Ah. Bro, no. Oi, another legendary egg. What am I going to get? Aw, cow. Ew. Who wants a cow? Oh.
Ben, screenshot mo nga. Screenshot mo ba? Ben.
Okay, I'm going to screenshot this. I'm on game.
I-ano mo Ben ah.
Oh my
Screenshot
god, bro.
Nandito pa din.
Bro. I can jump so high. Thank you. I can get my alien likes. Bro. 75 growth speed. Small chance for fruit to turn galactic. Oh, galactic. I mean, galaxy. Bro, you're not the champion now. Wait a second. Can I? What? Wait. Oh, shoot. Wee!
Mag-isa pa si Bibi. Hello. Thanks.
Galactic! Oh my god. Bro, try another one. Bro.
Walang jump photo.
Seed chop. Dessert, I'm back.
Ay,
Bro, chat, I'm back. My global chat broke. Chat, I'm back. My global chat broke.
Chat bot. Sabotage. Ay,
Alien like
Sabotage.
again.
sabotage.
The spaceship broke my. The spaceship broke my chat. Another one of these. Give me that. Oh my god. Bro! You honeysuckle. Yes, give me that. Galactic. Run, sugar apple at 25 minutes.
Ha?
Run, sugar apple. Bro. What? Bro. Are you serious, RN? Bro. Why you invisible coconuts? Why you invisible coconuts? to ruin your day and be sold and be eaten by the super powerful chef. Grapes! Give me that grapes! Oh my god, hello, hello. Bro, his chat broke again.
Hello.
His chat broke again.
So, ayun din ata ni John Del yung ano natin screen natin, oh.
Why did bro?
Lol, I think my command are buggy. Tapos yung yung Meteor, ilang beses dahil sa bug.
Ilang beses
10 times Meteor. Tapos midnight. Sira kasi yung ni John Del.
Ano?
Yung chat box.
10 times meteor? Wala, kaya pala 10 times yung
I was saying 25 minutes. How much is nectar? Nectar to.
Gimme!
Oh my god, 5 million.
Bro, why is my parkour? I think... Yay! I haven't parkour so hard. Nobody even get out the top.
Uy! Golden love!
Hmm?
I love you.
Why?
Na naman yung golden love ko ng...
Beanstalk?
Nakuha na naman ng beanstalk yung golden love ko.
Gay, ilang years old na siya? AJ?
21. Is for all...
La, wala pa pala akong golden lab, bro.
Bigyan ka ng dog, ang dami kong dog eh.
Bro. No. I have no golden labs.
Ouch.
Ouch. In pain I suffered. Bro. Jay, nakakadaga pa rin to?
Yung dog. Oo.
Wait a second. Ah!
Nakadik kasi tayo ni Jan din eh. Gagawa ka rin kami.
Why? It's change for the dog.
Sugar apple. Sana.
Bro,
Hot.
why is the dog age 1?
Sugar.
Sugar apple, bro! Thank you, Lord!
Wait lang. Vincent.
Oh. I actually got a sugar apple. Thank you, bro. You are my best fan in the world, bro.
Send mo sa akin yung video.
One sugar apple. Okay, I'm going to bigify my sugar apple. Wait, how many sprinklers? Two massive sprinklers. Okay, sprinkler. Oh no.
Ano yan? Anong weather?
Oh.
Wala. Hello. Ba't ang fog?
Bro.
DJ.
Why? Party time. I'm not going to party time, you bozo.
All server ka do like 1385. Bro, the 13. Bro, may Roblox Splash. Tingnan mo naman, oh.
Hey, cookies. Hey, cookies. Oh no, bro. Bruh. My sugar apple is just 10% brown. Please. Wait a second. I'm gonna waste all my seeds. Upload. Okay. Beanstalk. 1 fox glove. Coconut. Cacao. Brick. Okay. What do I lack? Let's go, guys. Bro, that stinky old bag of pile of poop. I'm gonna really like it. I have no seeds. Oh, okay, I'm gonna sell this. I have 1 million now. I think I'm going to get 2 billion though. Bro! Why did you lag me, bro? After I was gone.
Bagong.
Jay, I finally got the sugar apple. Thank you, Lord.
Madami pa yan.
Huh?
Madami pa yan, mamaya. Wake up my wife. Oh my.
Bro, big apple.
Girl, I'm gonna wake up there. Kaya siya yung pinakaunang Roblox creator na sumikat tapos may asawa. Yung iba wala eh.
Uy, andito na sa sobrang daw.
Ha?
Si ano yan? Si Tito, ano yun?
Ay. Wag. Alabin. Mawawalan. Ay baka walang space. Blow job. Ayaw ko sa iba. Kasi, ang lag. Ako nagkano.
No!
Oo, di ba? Always lang yung time.
Bro! Why did I waste my time on this? Stupid bozo.
Stupid talaga. Hey, sugar apple.
BTW, I'm a kid, bro. Sugar apple. 30 minutes.
So, hindi ako nakapag-craft.
Bro, 30 minutes na lang. Did I join a public server? I just get so excited that I had to work or up to tell her we have over 18 million. Water is blocked! Bro! Wait a second. Oh. Oh my whoops.
Oo na.
Big! Oh my gosh, big squirrel.
Okay din ako yun. Dalawa na yung master sprinkler ko. Si Jevin, winis lang ni Jevin yung sa kanya.
Para isang malaki. 2 basics. Yes. Say goodbye. I'm sorry but my burp. Disco. Gonna collect all my coconuts tonight. Bro, I'm early posting it. Oops. My Stephanie. I'm almost glad to see you. A moon melon disco ball. Working bees incoming.
Oh, Heavenly.
Huh? Bro, heavenly. Sugar apples. Bro, this is just a humble weather event. Jandel. Bro. Manami. Ay, fruit. How many fruits? This, my big mushroom.
Ha? Si Jandel yun, Heavenly yun. Eh, ano, new ano niya ata yun? Weather.
Oh, I got a cooked owl.
It's
Bro!
closed.
Age 1 pa rin ang cooked owl ko.
Which, ano na, sa akin, 25.
It's
My
raining
new
tacos.
Bye-bye, bees.
Tacos. No need to ask why.
I don't need a
Open your
bee.
mouth and close your eyes. It's raining tacos.
Oh my. Why my sugar apple big? If we had 20 million people, we're at 18. Oh my gosh, Big Bunny. Number 3. Seed shop.
Cheese.
Bro, beanstalk.
Raining tacos.
Kasing basta green seed. No, I think someone's holding a green seed. Oh, bamboo. What a sigma. Oh my. Why did I got rainbow? Bro! Gee, I got a rainbow.
Oo na, tawag na tawag.
And I don't know. Bro, where's the rainbow? Okay. Stocking time! Go to the seed shop.
One crate.
Mushroom! Huh?
It's mushroom. Wala tatlo. Ganun pangit.
Uy, pepper!
Naka-video ka, Ben?
Yes.
Ano mo send mo sa akin?
Uy, kakao!
Kakao. Hello, isa.
Beanstalk is going to stock.
Hello. Bakit question mark? Hello. Ay, hindi na mabibili ng Robux. Tingnan mo, question mark na lang.
Hindi, pwede pa yan bibili. Nagla-loading lang yan.
May gumabi.
Bro, there's no stocks, bro.
Then, I have fun play.
Jay, where do you have fun crate?
Tingin ko dun sa ano.
Crafting
cosmetic.
recipe?
Mawala na din yan eh.
Huh?
Yung ano. Ewan ko kung mawala na yung ano.
Fun crates! Give me the fun
Ano
crates!
pong meron dun?
That's more people than Canada. Bro.
What's that bro? Ano yan?
I need to get compost bins. Oh my! Yay! John Dale! I've been abused! I finally said! John Dale! With a sugar apple. My face! Yung molten! The molten! Molten! What do you want? Please! The molten!
Gusto mo nga server ako 1885? Lag ko.
I'm at 1385. Bro, my peppers are big.
Goodbye on it. See you around.
Why?
Ano siya?
Uy! Let's go. We're about to see. Nah, I'm not going to lose this. Me too. Uy! 1. Wee! Traveling to space, guys!
Wow. Uy. We're up.
Traveling to space, guys. Travel.
Join ka sa amin ng may station mga par.
Hmm? Meron din sa amin.
I wonder will find.
daw.
Hmm? Oh no! 10% battery.
Oh my god. Ito sa akin din. Ito na oh.
What? Oh my gosh! I can't go up to the...
Nakakabili ako ng ano.
What?
Candy Blossom.
Why?
This event has a secret. Will not be revealed. Huh? Balik ko tayo dito sa Earth.
Bro, alien like bigs.
Ay hindi, dito yung Easter. Dito dito siya nakalagay yung
Saan?
dito. Nakakita ko doon sa ano niya, sa TikTok niya.
Saan nakalagay?
Dito.
Saan yan video?
Nasa gilid ng ano, seed shop. Ito na naman. Yo,
Again, bro.
hindi siya, ano baka, ano, sinasabi niya kanina, yung Easter event.
Anong panahon? Ba, ang bilis na.
Jay, I have some big cacaos, bro.
Uy, ano? By the way, everyone is for we will be for Bro, bakit di na
climbing up to space, guys. The space rocks.
Yung coconut yung mabilis makakuha ng ano, invisible.
Guys, I'm climbing up the top.
Final up.
Ay, take note. Nag-TV ako.
No! Yes!
Next stop. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye!
Ano, new seat.
Why? Gold sugar apple already?
New seat na ano. sa
Bruh.
next stop.
Bruh. Heavenly God, why did you just leave you? Why? Why did you do this to me? White? Is that a white? Bro, golden. Bro. Ugh. Uy, golden. Or I think. Bro, why are there so many?
Wala dito.
Wait, I am getting
Sa lagi. Ulo, David.
a galactic.
Uy, ano? Uy. Oh, just one time. Sunflower, please. Flower.
Winter seed shop.
Okay.
Winter seed shop. Say goodbye to Sam. Bye-bye. Ben, naka-record ka.
Bye bye, Sam. I am going to waste all my seed and my money on your seeds.
Ayoko gastusin yung pera ko. Baka next seed shop, kung mamahal yung ano. Ben, kung mamahal.
I waste all my money on those seeds. Big sugar apple. Yay! 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 Yay!
Kaya saan ang color red na ano, yung sugar apple?
Hmm?
Nakakuha yung kaibigan ko ng sugar apple.
Pero red? Bye-bye.
Tapos,
Bro, what does Pablush mean? Oh.
bye.
Aloha!
One shot.
Give me the
Uy.
galactics.
Ano to?
Last na?
Galactic.
Lucky Harvest found the coconut seed. Gimme, 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 ay, gimme, ay.
Ang dami kong galactic.
Where is... Bro, moon meron galactic. Yummy, galactic.
Amber Lily.
Beanstalk. Bro.
Oh my god.
Uh-oh.
Please. Please. Sugar apple. No. 1 billion nata ako.
Uy, mushroom. Mushroom, mushroom,
1
mushroom.
billion nata ako dito ah. Ano ba yan? Sabay-sabay.
Tama ka.
Help!
Wala, nire-restock niya na lahat.
Dragon fruit.
Wala, nire-restock niya na lahat, Will.
Why is bro so cute?
Cactus.
Cactus! Sam is providing. Bro. Please, coconut. Amber Lily again. Bye-bye, pepper seed.
Bye-bye, Orsi.
Bye-bye, Sam. We will miss you.
Coconut.
was an OP stock. Sana all, di makakuha na yani ka. Wala na ulit siyang pera.
May marami na mga bibigay sa
Uy! Sugar apple golden.
Sugar. Ano ba yan? Kala ko naman mag-stock. Lang po din.
How much is the sugar apple worth?
Tinamok ka. Dapat nilagyan mo muna ng mutation.
7 million. Bigay ko to kay Anika bukas. Woy!
Tinan mo. Ito pa kayo na yung isa niyo.
Cray cray?
UDJ, R. Oh my God. Hello.
Help! Bro, this is fire! Why, big sugar apple? We hit 20 million! Bro, time in the trap, bro. Bro, why did I got super speed? Super
Ano
speed,
ba yung
bro.
mga ano mo? Pet mo? Bro, garden.
Mole, caterpillar, dog, cooked owl.
Ano ulit.
Mole, caterpillar, dog,
Caterpillar
cooked
na
owl.
kaka-ano. Speed. Hello, 50 minutes na.
I'ma collect all my seeds, bro. Bye-bye, Sam. Bro, please don't leave. No. Go sell. Hello, bro. Try to cook peach, but failed. 209 million. You will go home in peace. May Feijoa seed. Feijoa, loquat, prickly pear, bell pepper, kiwi, pineapple, banana, avocado, green apple. Bro, cauliflower. Buy some. Oh my God.
Bakit pa?
Uy, harvest.
Bakit? Ayun.
May on it
Uy,
will rest
Vin.
in peace.
Banana. Tingnan mo. Pineapple. Pineapple. Lagi.
The scene. Bro, the scene.
Bin! Huwag mo ipakita ito. Alam.
The scene.
Bin, i-record mo.
Sobrang stock na available. You feel out of stock.
Na-record ni JB. Na-record mo, Ben.
Bro!
Bro,
This song is
it's
running.
vacation. Bro, what the heck?
Bro, what are you doing that? Uy, Bin.
Ayan na, mag-stock na siya.
Kiwi!
Oh my.
Yes, Kiwi.
Ah. Kiwi was restocked in the seed shop.
Ano yun?
Kiwi. Bro, what? 1 hour?
Ano yung ano?
Summer harvest. Sabi niya. Wait, what? How to reward for a reward at the end of the event.
What a bee flying but... Hello, yung mga bee.
Mamamatay na sila, bro.
Yung mga bees.
No! Bro, why is bro cooked?
Bro. Oh my god.
No one.
Ang ganda. Ano to? Min. Ano yan? Payo.
Oh my god.
Ano sugar apple?
Bro. Another one?
Sino to? Who are you? You're not Sam. You're Tom. Bro. Bro? I know you're
Bro is
Sam.
on vacation.
I know you're Sam.
Ang dami lumilipad na
Sam.
Sa Rose Heavens lessons.
Sige.
Ang dami lumilipad na sa heaven.
Huh?
May mga fruits
Ano?
sa heaven.
Huh? Fruits in heaven?
Ang ganda.
Bro!
Tingnan natin.
Ano? Ano to? Wow.
Okay. Wait, where's the Ember Lily?
Wow. Leave this on
Okay, 2 times Ember Lily. Great job. Hihihihi.
Please.
Wala nang beanstalk? Wait a second.
Ano sa mga harvest?
No!
Paano man... Oh my god.
Even.
Oh my god. Uy. Si Unit nasa tabi ng ano. Sa tabi ng cosmetic.
Wait, what?
Taits. Nasa tabi pa rin siya.
I got.
Oh.
On it, please don't leave me. On it, please don't leave me.
Uy, meron pa ako.
Bro, I can still give him. Bro, that is an omega. Thank you, bros.
Uy. Dami ng mayor. Ano yan? Dami ang mayor. I will dev them hard.
No, not a trap.
Ano meron?
Pollinated. Pwede mo pa rin siyang i-ano, si Onit.
Oo.
This is our last time na. Cosmetics and crafting. Uy, honey compressor started.
Yung banana, dati pa yan ah.
Hmm?
Binalik yung banana.
Hmm?
Nago. Yung banana.
Hala, hindi ko pa yun alam.
Nakamag na yun dati.
Berry blusher sprinkler. Craft. Uy, shoot. 1 godly. Wait a second. Do I have godly?
11 thing.
Bye-bye, 1 godly sprinkler. Bro, 1 strawberry.
Bro, hindi naman expect. Dito yung pangit. Ben. Ben.
No, I think this is W. Bright win. W update, bro. I'm gonna get you the grape, bro. Yes, that's the man. Wala pa. Wait a second, do I have blueberry?
Ayan, matanim mo. Kiwi seed.
Momo yun, no? Let's go, blueberry. Uy, yung laki.
Ang laki yung dito.
Okay, guys. What is my... Okay. Bye-bye, my guy. Fun creek is over. Uy! Oh my god. Blueberry na siya kaagad. Ang ganda ng kiwi seed. But I want some day.
Bigyan mo
Mama
ito.
said, let me sleep now. Uy.
Bigyan mo pa.
Uy, 159 na lang.
Hindi.
Kiwi yan, bro.
Ay. Ano ko, avocado.
Ano ba? Yes! Blueberry, blueberry, blueberry. Blueberry.
Ano yan? What is that, bro? Ano yan, color white?
I think the Saturn.
Bug.
No, 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 no. I think,
Saturn.
I
Sa Saturn
think-
tayo.
bro, I think the Earth has rings now. Strawberry. Yes, I got a strawberry seed. Thank you, boys.
Hindi kasi yung ano eh. Kaya plant eh. Tinan mo nga yung kiwi. Wala na yan.
Hanggang dito yung kiwi, bro.
Ang laki.
Oh my gosh, big blueberry. Okay, mabilis yan. I know
Ayun
it.
na. Ayun na, Bin. Nagkakakaon na ng mga sanga.
Hmm?
Tinan mo. Tinan mo yung kiwi. Ay. Kalbo pa.
Hello, 59% grown pa rin.
Wawa sa ano pa hindi nakabutan.
Oo.
Magkano ka ba yung kiwi?
Ha?
Magkano yung kiwi?
Kulong. 50,000, siyempre.
Wala, nagbaba.
Ako hindi. Wait.
Hindi natatapos yung this one.
Honey rewarded?
Ha? May reward ka?
Honey rewarded.
Saan? Saan mo nakita?
Hindi ko alam. Hello!
May banana. May banana. Banana.
Banana?
Oo nga.
Uy, banana. Pwede yung kainin ng monkey boy. Uy,
Kakainin,
cauliflower.
kakainin yun ni Jandel.
Bakit?
Di ba may Jandel ano? Pet.
Ha?
Look. Ako lang kanina.
Uy, may beanstalk pala ako. Kudak to. Please. Yes. Give me the strawberries. Wiggle wrench. Wiggle wrench. Wiggle wrench. Oh. Tut, 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 tut.
Ano sound good?
I guess it's all from the strawberry. Oh my gosh. Start crafting no cost. Bro, 59 minutes. Bro, WTF. Jay, nakasubmit ka ng honey? Wala. Uy, the honey is done. Honey, 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 honey. Oh my goodness. Diyan, dito pa rin yung event. Ay, yung update. Disco celebration. Bro. Bakit na naman, bro?
From out of the sky.
Why again, bro?
Tacos. No need to ask why. Just open your mouth and close your eyes. It's raining tacos.
We couldn't do this without you. What my... Uy. More sugar. Thank you for big coconut. Pre. Thank you for sugar apple, bro. Bro, how much is this cost? All the sugar apples and the thousands. Bre. Okay.
Bilhin na po siya sa ano.
Cheese, 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 cheese.
It's
Bite lang
raining
tayo.
tacos.
Wait. Percent mo. 90 ano na?
Hello ba?
Tindahan.
Okay. It's done. We
Siguro ng mga dollars. Sabi mo lang sa akin kung ano yung mga bayaran.
Help.
May pag ano. Uy! Ano ka naman ng ano, beanstalk mo?
Huh?
Oh my god.
Oh my god, bro.
Try mo nga akyatin.
Uy, may ghost akong nakita kanina. Ayun oh.
Try mo nga
Ghost.
akyatin.
Mamaya.
Cook owl. Uy! Satisfy. Cook.
Nakok na yung rose.
Hindi. Hindi ano rose. Iba yun eh.
Ano sinabi?
Ewan. Nectar cook. Ewan.
Bro. Ha? Anong tinanggal ko? Anong raining trees?
In tears.
Candy blossom.
Tinan mo.
Candy blossom in real life, bro.
Pangit nito. Baba pa.
Sugar apple.
Wala pa nga.
La auto restock daw. Parang may nakita ko ditong alien. Wait a second.
Sabi mo sa akin kung magandang fruit.
Hala, may kiwi.
No.
Kalbo pa rin siya. No ba yan? I can't see. Bro, what the freak is that? Ooh, big moon melon ah. What the heck? Another big moon melon. Okay. Why so many big moon melon? Bruh. What is that? I think bro. Where's the cook? Bro. Jay, tinan mo yung back ng garden ko.
I-expand mo. Ay,
Big moon
1 billion
melon.
yun eh. 1 billion nga expand. Tinan mo. May 25 million lang. Kaya mo na yan, oh. Uy, Ben, wag yan. Humihingi na yan. Humihingi na lang hindi.
Uy, na-expand na siya.
Expand na. 1 billion na next niyan. Yan, wag.
Nasaan, no?
Pinakalikod.
Wala
Lolo. Ayan. 1 billion. Oh? Go. Wala na expand eh. Sa likod. Yan, bukas pa.
Bakit daw?
1 billion yan. Ay,
Ulo.
25 million. Tapos 1 billion.
Kuhain ko na nga lahat ng paper ko. Busin na nga pera ko eh. Bro! Daming
Mag-search na naman ako sa
lightning.
TikTok kung paano makakuha ng ano.
Why again? Bre. Ah, 48 minutes pa. Irma, what the Sigma? What is that? What is that? What is that? What is that? I can't. What is this beanstalk? Pollinated shock. Bro, what is this? Bro. Okay, that's it. I'm gonna watering can.
Ano naman to? Sino naman?
Let's go. I collected them. Yeah, I got the moon melon.
Next nung 25 million. 30. Ay hindi, 1 billion. Yan, mag-ipon ka na.
Yay! I got them. Yay! It's so big. Yay! It's so cool. Yay!
Dapat inintay mo muna yung ibang mutation. Baba
Yay,
lang nung
it's so
ano yan.
big. Yay! It's so cool. Yay! It's so big.
Dalaw
Yay!
tigipin.
It's so cool.
I-ibenta mo, tinong, ay, i-sell mo.
Sell ko na nga inventory ko, bro.
Hindi, tingnan mo na kung how much. How much? Pop. Di ba nga, onti lang.
Yay! Ang dami.
Mas maganda kung
One
ano,
trillion.
kung pinaabot mo pa ng 3, ay hindi. 8 na mutation, maganda. Maganda nun. Alam mo bakit?
Bakit?
Ewan.
Jay, hindi na ba na... Ay, Jay, tapos na ba yung event?
Oo. Tapos na.
Leave na ako?
Oh my God.
Tap, parap. Okay, guys. I
big
hope you
banana.
enjoy. Bro. Oh, the event is still 1 hour.
Hindi.
Okay.
Is-change yan ni ano.
Bye-bye, guys. Huh?
Is-change yan ni Jandol.
Why is General gonna change? Bakit daw?
Wala.
Ngayon na yung nag-ano yung ano? Jay, ngayon na. Hindi na siya mag-ano. Maya-maya na lang daw. At, bye-bye, guys. I hope
Or
you
baka may mga
enjoy.
panghabol pa siya. Kagabi, nung ano eh, nung nag-secret update ata siya, admin abuse, may pahabol siya kagabi. 7, tapos nung nag-8,
Na 내가 보이게라 따랑 땀땀따 우리 제로 나 내가 보이게라 따랑 땀땀따 우리 제로 나
Tayo.
내가 보이게라
hindi ako makapagawa garden.
때려서 Zero. Okay guys. Nanibaro. Nanibaro. Gera. Tera. Tam tam
Ha?
ta. Ori zero.
Wala pa. Nagpaalam ako kanina. 11:10 ako uwi. Or mamaya kapag di na nag-update si John Bell. Mga 11:50.
Wow, I'm going to like end the game. Bro, next week,
Wala po.
Saturday, June 28, 10 p.m. Bro, again? Saturday. June 21 na ba?
Di po. Uwi.
Uy, bukas pa naman yung summer
Di.
season.
21 na yun ah.
Ala, dahil na yun.
58.
Hindi mo ba tinigilan yung lalamunan mo kakaano? Hindi mo ba magsalita ng normal? Ha? Bingi,
Ano?
tigilan mo kakaano ng lalamunan mo.
Okay. Security, verifying not a bot.
Mga kubo, wala ka naman claim ha. Test na sila mga
Ay.
Di ba? Yan. Blue. Ay, hindi. Hindi, wait lang. Yan.
One done, continue your beach bump, beach bump, beach bump, beach bump. Ay.
Ano ba masakit?
I will join you. Bro,
Tinan mo.
wait,
Wait lang. Magay ka sa ano mo.
bakit?
Blue.
What will happen?
Ulo ko yung sa akin eh. Hindi ako nakakuha ng bend bomb po.
Uy! Prickly pear! What is that?
Ganda yan eh.
Naman na.
Ben, yan mo nga ako. I-invite mo nga ako.
Why?
Bakit kasi? Bakit?
Wala, nag-grow a garden din si Magno. Wait a second. I'm going to check this. Bro! Jay, kaya pala eh. Jay, look. Look. Tinggang guli-guli-guli watariwanggu.
Uy, ginawa yan nyo.
Ha?
Bloodlit. Anong pangalan na ito?
Bloodlit brain rot. Blood rot daw. Blood rot. Tapos rainbow rot na. Bro, chimpanzee ni banani. Noob.
Dahil sana pipiliin nyo si Given.
Di naman yun ah. Tapos himuha sa sino. Balibinag cappuccino. Okay guys, bye bye.
Yes, Ben.
See you in the next hour.